Hello friend, this is NemoPeng-GospelBoat. Nice to see you again. Today I will introduce a finished boat to you. The dark blue one behind me. It is our 7.5 meter Profisher with extended hardtop. This one is the best seller of this year. The streamlined boat hull and the deep way double trine designs makes this boat popular. The outlook is very nice, and the performance on breaking wave and stability are both well. Let me show you this boat. You can see the outlook, the streamlined boat hull. And deep way design, double trine, the bottom is 6mm plate and the side is 5mm, so this boat is strong enough. And inside the boat hull we have a density rib boat to support it, so you no need to worry at the bottom will the shape change, so it's strong enough. And this size is not too big nor small for family use. You can see rear part. This is for single engine, and if you want a twin engine, we will build the transom suitable for twin engine. This is a transducer mounting bracket. You can install the fish finder here, and this is the trim tab mounting bracket. The underwater light. This is the link to protect the boat hull. Each side one ladder and reels, so you can fish by standing here. And let's get on to have a look. Aluminum hatch inside is the bilge pump. Now I'm standing at the rear part. You can see this boat is an open cabin without the cabin door. At the front is the rest area. This is a small door to make it more private. There will be soft cushions here. The toilet under the cushions will be hidden. This is a LED light. Anti-slip sticker, rod holders. Fiberglass sticker to make the dashboard look nice. And this is the dashboard switch control panel, and fuel gauge, water gauge, marine compass, Garmin GPS. Yeah, you also can install this from your local if you don't want to buy from us. This is for the steering wheel. Customer will install this from local when he install the engine. So we will only open the hose, but won't install it. And sliding window, the wiper, cabin light. Yeah, you can see. This is the captain seat. Flip up captain seat. And you can adjust the direction. Can face back, face side. Behind the captain seat, customer install a cooktop. This is the sink, and this is the stove. If you don't need this, we will build here by a stage instead. And on left side, 2 passenger seat and 1 adjustable table. Both the 2 seats are 2-way seats. You can face front or face back. This one also the same. So very convenient. This is the, sorry, a little mess. We will do the cleaning before deliver it. Cover the paper to protect the deck. And you can see this is the deck area. So when you're fishing, this is your main area, main spot area. A side door. Like this. A long rear folding seat. When you don't use it, you can fold it up. And this is a battery box. This is a cutting bait board and a large bait tank. Rod holders, cup holders, the extended hard top to cover the whole deck. Yeah, of course this is an option. If you don't need it, we will make the hard top short to this area. Okay friends, to make a brief introduction of this boat, you can have a general idea about it. Our company is a professional manufacturer of fishing boats, mainly ranges from 6 meter to 11 meter, and have different designs available. So if you are looking for a fishing boat, feel free to contact with me. You will get a high quality, high cost effective boat from us. Okay friends, see you next time.